Whether you're here because you're a fan of Mr. Potato Head,
sorry there, old spudhead,
or you just can't pass up on a bag of chips,
careful, they're ruffled.
Feel free to hang around for the next few minutes while I break down some of the top facts that you may or may not know about this food, so common in our everyday lives. Number 1, potatoes are the top vegetable crop in the entire world, with annual production of over 100 million tons. There are more than 4,000 varieties of potatoes grown all around the world, in a range of colors and textures. They are an indispensable part of the food supply chain in many countries. Potatoes are very nutritious. The potato is one of nature's perfect foods, containing vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in just about the right proportions to keep people healthy. Recently tested by the American Potato Institute, it was found that new potatoes contain as much as twice our vitamin C as oranges. In addition, they are also an important source of energy and nutrients, such as vitamin C, potassium, iron, and calcium. Super veggie strength. A potato's skin is actually a natural defense against a wide range of conditions. The skin's antioxidant compounds gives a potato powerful protection against environmental stresses, including ultraviolet radiation and bacteria. Number 4, an old timer. The earliest evidence that potatoes were used as food comes from the Incan civilization 2,500 years ago, before the Spanish conquest. Back then, the Incans regarded potato as a sacred food, not to be used as food by commoners. Fantastic fried. Yes, we all know the humble potato chip well, but do you know who we have to thank for this delicious creation? Potato chips were invented in 1853 by George Crumb at Moon Lake's House Restaurant in Saratoga Springs, when he cut some fried potatoes into thin slices and served them as an appetizer. Since then, the potato has been fried in many ways, the most popular of which is the French fry. McDonald's buys 1.8 billion pounds of potatoes yearly, serving them up as over 4 billion French fries. So thank you, George Crumb, from the bottom of our hearts. Potatoes are an amazing vegetable that unfortunately helps make up the 45% of fresh produce that is lost or wasted each and every year. If you'd like to help us make a change, head over to postharvest.com for a range of courses on how to best look after your fresh produce at home. And since you've got this far through the video, could you do me a massive favor and click those like and subscribe buttons? Together, we can help reduce waste and help play our part in saving our planet.